Unboxing the ViewSonic VX2778. This is a 2K monitor made by ViewSonic. It uses a PLS panel, so it's something like IPS, similar to IPS. We're gonna check it out and see how it looks. Okay, so here we have a monitor. It looks okay. The viewing angles are so. Remember, this is not an IPS monitor, it's an PLS. It looks okay. I bleed. Then we get the lights, so it's easy to see. So here's a stock pixel. It's really tiny, but it's here. You can see it better like that. I count like probably 10. So it's not really good for a monitor. Plus light bleed on top and on the corners. Yeah, it's okay, but if it was only one problem, probably it was gonna be okay. But it's two problems: backlight bleed and the stock pixel. So I don't think this monitor is good, you know, just for that. But anyways, let's try again. Let's try Dota 2. You can see a light bleed while loading. We're gonna try a demo to see how it looks like.
Let's go.
As you can see here,
Prepare for battle.
the pros are good for a 2K monitor.
For the night. Quickly now.
I don't see any lag.
On the hunt. Yeah.
Remember this is a 60 Hz monitor, so
Stop.
it's not gonna be like.
Yes.
It can be compared to a gaming monitor, you know, because this is
We ride.
60 Hz. The game, everything looks amazing.
Blessings upon a loyal warrior. Pia. Heads up. Illuminated.
The only thing I know is I'm being just 30 frames per second. So I'm gonna check it out. to see if frames. No, probably it's the video card I'm using right now. This is an A70 GTX. Let's try again.
The Moon Rider has arrived.
Still 30 frames per second. We will not try different settings here.
Prepare for battle.
Let's put this on medium. Let's go back to the game.
Let's
It
go.
doesn't make any difference.
For the night.
I think it's because of the video card I'm using. That's weird. You should be able to get more than 60 frames, or 60 frames using a better video card.